This is a quick video on how I fixed an issue where we had a bad smell coming from our shower drain. This is an older house, and I suspect whenever the plumbing for the shower was put in, there was no trap installed, so that sewer gas is free to just come up out of the drain. Luckily, it was pretty easy and cheap to fix, and I'll show how I did that now. I got this 2-inch drain seal from Amazon. This one was made by Green Drain, and it was just under $20. I'll leave a link to the one I used in the description. You can see here it's just kind of a little rubber plug with fins around it that hold it in place. And there's a little flap at the bottom that has just enough resistance to let the water drain out, but not let sewer gas come back up out of the drain. Installation was simple. I just had to remove the drain cover with a pair of pliers, and then just shove the trap down into the pipe. As long as you measured the inside of the drain pipe correctly, it should seat pretty snugly down inside. I turned the shower on to give it a test. With the plug installed, the water still drains at a pretty good rate. Sometimes with the shower on full blast, I might see a little puddle form just around the edge of the drain, but it's never bad enough that it gets really behind. And the beautiful thing is, if you ever change your mind and you want to remove it, just grab a pair of needle nose pliers and pull it out. Alright, that's pretty much it for this video. Hit like if this helped you out, and thanks for watching.